Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make strawberry sponge cake. This is very traditional but Western influenced sweets. I usually bake these sweets on Christmas Day or my family's birthday. Even for my dogs, Mario and Luigi. And then to make these sweets, it's so simple. You only need a strawberry and the ingredients to make sponge cake. I hope you enjoy this recipe with your children. How about cooking it together? Okay, now let's get started. Here are the ingredients. At first, please put flour into the bowl and shift. Then separate egg yolk and egg white into bowls. Now add sugar to the egg white and separate it into 3 times. And mix well to make a meringue. Add egg yolk into the meringue and lightly mix them. Then add the flour and stir the mixture, little by little until smooth. Add butter and stir the mixture, little by little until smooth. Prepare a round-shaped cake pan and pour the dough into the cake pan. Move it to the oven and bake for 28 minutes. Then mix sugar and fresh cream until 60% set. Take out 1/3 of whipped cream and put it in the fridge. And mix the rest of whipped cream until 100% set. Now cut each strawberries into 4 slices. After baking the cake, cool it down for a while. Take out sponge cake from cake pan. Slice the cake horizontally in half. Now spread the fruit jam on the surface. Add and spread the whipped cream. Decorate strawberries on whipped cream. Move the cake on a plate and pile up the other half of sponge cake. Put the rest of the cream and coat with cake. Take 60% set whipped cream from the fridge and coat with cake. Decorate the cake with strawberries. And it's done! How was the recipe? I hope you liked it. So like I said, I baked these sweets last year on my Christmas day. So I don't have cakes now. Sad. Well, but I wanted to introduce the recipe for you, so I somehow edited. Yay! So I hope you like this recipe and then try it out with your family. And if you have a recipe request, please tell me. I will add in my list. Thank you for watching everyone this time. See you next time. Bye bye.
Yuk, yuk, yuk. Yuk, yuk, yuk.